What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh shit! El diablo. Parece que le dieron un botón para que caiga más duro. You know those types of rain where there's rain and then there is also wind? Today is one of those days. I'm wearing super shorts and I still got my shirts wet. Oh my god. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. I'm just gonna get my food and then go back. Today the plan is to make two. Oh my god, what the fuck? Today the plan is to make 2 videos, and after that I gotta go meet with the mommy, whose friend is in Taipei, and then if it doesn't rain, I guess we're going to Sealing. So I'll see you later. I'm in Sealing, yes. It's not raining anymore, and I'm with the mommy and her friend. This is the mommy, and this is her friend Yacha. Oh, yes, we just met and it's fun. She said, "Oh, I want to be your friend," and not in English, but in Japanese. And I'm practicing Japanese, so yeah. So we're in Sealing, we're walking. Tomorrow we're gonna have more fun. After this, I don't know where we're going. To the food. Yeah. 很香。
很香，你说很香，一口
いいか。Candy shop. Candy shop. Candy shop.
真的不健康。
Yeah, candy shop.